How do you sell ebooks without making a site? Please subscribe and smash the notification bell for more awesome videos like this. There are huge ways to sell your ebooks without making a site. If you have good expertise in writing and publishing ebook, you have a good chance to grab 80 to 90% of profits from the mentioned great platforms. I will share and suggest some best platforms on the internet where you can sell ebooks and generate huge money. 1. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. You can easily publish and sell your ebooks on the largest online e-commerce store on Amazon right now. Their millions of visitors are browsing on the web and have a great scope to get huge exposure on Amazon. Of course, you will get up to 70% royalty from per sale. 2. Payhip. Payhip is the best digital asset selling platform where you will sell directly downloadable digital assets to your followers using your ebook link. This site is very simple and free to sell your ebooks by charging 5% of profits on every sales or transaction. It offers the best tools to sell ebooks for writers, discount coupons, share buttons, affiliate programs, and flexible pricing options. 3. Fiverr. Fiverr is the another best freelance marketplace where you can easily sell your ebook without any monthly charges. You can sell also any type of digital product or services, just registering an account and creating a gig about your services or products. It has awesome features and a dashboard for managing your customer communication, orders, and sales. 4. Booktango. Booktango is an awesome and free platform to sell an ebook on its store and other retailers. It provides the necessary tools to sell and covers with small charges. You will get 100% of the profits from every sale. 5. NookPress. NookPress is a free online self-publishing ebook and print books where you will get free tools for creating and selling your ebook directly. It also serves writers to write new projects, edit and format their manuscript in one place. 6. Gumroad. Gumroad is free to get started, and an affordable online platform for creators. You can sell any type of digital products and physical products directly to consumers. They offer also subscriptions, memberships, direct sales facilities with 10% monthly fees. 7. Tradebuttrade. Tradebuttrade is a flexible digital selling platform that enables you to start publishing your digital products and downloads within minutes. You can easily sell your ebook using their sales page and take advantage of social media integration, custom pricing option, affiliate program, etc. 8. Lulu. Lulu is a simple and online self-publishing books and ebooks website that will help you create something such as print books, ebooks, shipping books, selling books, distributing books, and publishing books. It offers the right tools for authors, publishers, and businesses to fulfill all your book printing needs. You will get 90% royalty on every sale. 9. Blurb. Blurb is also a self-publishing platform that helps you to create the perfect ebook, promote, share, and sell their own ebooks. It provides online editing tools to create the perfect ebook and free software for PC or Mac users. 10. Payloads. Payloads offers a complete digital goods e-commerce service that helps you to host and sell your ebook. It offers a lot of features for writers and publishers to sell their books online. They charge a $29.95 sign-up fee per month with a 2.9% to 4.9% fee on each sale. I will suggest you start to sell your ebook on Payhip as a beginner. Payhip charges a little amount of fee on every transaction or sale. All the mentioned online selling platforms, I hope you can start to sell your ebook easily without making a website. Please subscribe to help the channel out. I will see you in the next video.